enhanced quality certification incentive. So quality is being the focus nowadays, and any product what a company develops, customers, consumers look for quality in that. So by having advanced certification from the institutions around the world, you can ensure that the quality in your product is going to be very good. So we have in our country, we have ISO and ISI, we have Bureau of Information Standards, BIS, we have FPOB, AGMARK, and ECOMARK, and all these standards are available in our country. ISO is the Indian Standards Organization, and ISI is Indian Standards Institute. BIS is going to be Bureau of Indian Standards. Next one, FEO is Farmer Producer Organization. Next one is B. B, it is also Bureau of Energy Efficiency in Energy Sector. Then AGMARK. AGMARK, it is quality mark. So AGMARK, the full form is it is for the certification for the agricultural products. All the agricultural products will have this AGMARK, and ECOMARK is for the ecological conservation project. ECOMARK. So it is for the projects which are going to have the least for the least for the least impact on the for the least impact on the environment. That is eco mark. Okay, so many projects you can have, many projects you can implement, but that should not affect the ecological balance, right? So for that, you give the new thing called as eco mark. So, or any other international certification you have got for quality for the pursuing that. 50% cost for getting the certification will be reimbursed by the government. So that should be certified by a chartered accountant. So that procedure has to be followed. Okay. So enhanced IP incentive. So if you're going for a patent or a copyright or a trademark or a trademark or a geographical identifier, this trademark or GI GI tag is specific to the geographical products. Like for example, we have eternal valley halwa. We have that all the specific to places. You have certain important special products, right? So for that, what they give the GI tag, geographical indicator tag, and for getting that grant or patent or copyright, the government is giving them 50% subsidy in the expenditure. If you're paying a fees of say 10 lakh to obtain the grant, means government will give you 5 lakh upon successfully you're getting that grant. Okay, so these are the incentives government is providing for intellectual property incentive. The next one, the standard incentives the standard incentive which the government is giving. So like electricity exemption for 5 years. For 5 years, you did not pay the electricity bill. Stamp duty exemption for registering your company. Green industry incentive. If your buildings what you consider as a green building means you can get green incentive up to 1 crore. In-house R&D units are not available for these incentives. If they are already availing some other incentive, they cannot get this incentive. So projects which are availing enhanced quality certification incentive shall also be not eligible for this incentive. So at the time, you can avail only one incentive. So you have to choose which incentive you want to apply and get the best support from the government. Okay.